let me tell you that actually the purpose of that mission, as of many other missions, the European Union now just deployed an observation mission in Liberia, it deployed an observation mission in Sierra Leone, it deployed an observation mission, because actually the European Union is maybe the main organization in the world. And the objective is really to assess the process against international agreements, international treaties signed and ratified by Nigeria, but also against Nigerian law. In no way the purpose is to say whether the elections are legitimate or not, because that's not the purpose. And the purpose, as you said, is actually to analyze the process and offer recommendations. And this is what actually the mission did. They offered, if I'm not mistaken, it's 26 recommendations. That's the part of the report that I know best, for a very simple reason, because now I have the task, together with my team, to work with our Nigerian partners to see to what extent we can provide the technical assistance, expertise, to address those issues on which I think we can all agree. Can I mention one of this that is very close to my heart?
Okay.
Women participations in politics, for example, or other, let's say, issues. We have a very good cooperation with INEC. We never stopped cooperating with INEC. And we already have an agreement with Professor Yakubu to continue our cooperation also on the basis of the recommendation provided not only by the European observers, but by all observers. And this is something that the European Union has been doing since 1999. And I'm personally convinced that those recommendations, together with the recommendations of other observer missions, have helped strengthen Nigerian democracy. And from our side, we know how important Nigeria is and how important Nigerian democracy is, the largest democracy in Africa, especially against the current backdrop, the backdrop of the current situation in West Africa. So we know that Nigeria in that is an important model, and we want to continue working together.